In Jammu and Kashmir, an independent MLA, Engineer Rashid, has been beaten up by BJP MLAs inside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. This is regarding the beef controversy that continues to spill over to Jammu and Kashmir as well. We've seen those protests even yesterday and the day before, and many parties, including the National Conference and some independent MLAs, are trying to push for a bill on beef, and images were coming in. Of course, both Omar Abdullah as well as the PDP have condemned what has happened inside the assembly today. Nazir Masoodi now joins us for more on that. Nazir, explain to us exactly what happened. The beef controversy, of course, spilling inside Jammu and Kashmir Assembly as well as outside of it.
While minutes before the House convened and members were coming to the House, once Engineer Rashid entered the House, wanted to sit on his chair, BJP members were exactly waiting for him. They were literally on prowl, and they got hold of him and they kicked him, they slapped him, and many BJP members started to beat him. And it was just because of the opposition members, National Conference, CPI and the Congress members who saved him, and Omar Abdullah making it very clear, hitting out at the BJP, saying they are committing murders in broad daylight, perhaps referring to the Dadri lynching incident. And he says had they not saved Engineer Rashid, he too would have been killed inside the House. I'm joined by two senior MLAs, Mr. M.Y. Tarigami of CPIM and also Usman Majid of Congress. Tarigami Saab, it is unheard of. We have never seen it before in the Assembly.
You see, as far as my experience for the last 19 years while being the member of the House, I have never witnessed such an assault, such an brazen attacks on a sitting honorable MLA and by my members of the House. And you know, had we not been here, had we not entered the House, and I am sure he would have been lynched. And it's not, I think, exaggeration. Another Dadri would have been repeated, not outside, but inside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly itself.
But the fact is, you know, while I can say Omar Abdullah condemned it, and then Chief Minister condemned this incident, this Deputy Chief Minister of your BJP, you know, this Dr. Nirmal Singh, he condemned it, but with a rider, he linked it with the yesterday's beef party, which was organized by Engineer Rashid, though he should not have done it as making it a public display, but that has a trigger. That is the reason BJP members say he has been attacked here. Usman Majid, tell me, wasn't it wrong at the outset for Engineer Rashid organizing a beef party? But what happened in the Assembly is really unheard of.
Yeah, we came to know yesterday that he has held a beef party. I came to know, but we don't know. It was not discussed in the House. They should have raised this point in the House that he has done it. Whatever complaint they have about Mr. Rashid. The moment they entered in the House, they were waiting for Rashid to come. When Engineer Rashid entered the House, they start kicking him, they kicked him, they mercilessly beat him, they punched him. You know, unfortunately, a very unfortunate incident which has taken place. If we had not reached on time, I think he would have died there.
So
we have seen the pathetic scene I have seen. It is not unseen, it is unheard of it.
Mr. Tarigami, it's also polarizing House in a sense.
You see, that is the basic issue. That is the tragedy which our state is witnessing now. And unfortunately, it seems that BJP is hell-bent. They have eyes on Bihar elections and polarization here in our state. We, as members of the House, many of us, including Omar Abdullah, he has categorically stated that we respect the aspirations, the sentiments of each community.
Thank you. So yes. Clearly, House divided. In fact, unfortunately, even on religious lines, Omar Abdullah is making scathing attack on BJP and the government here, demanding action against the MLAs. But then when the Speaker refused to take action, or the government refused to take any action, the entire opposition, Congress, CPIM, other independent MLAs and the National Conference have staged a walkout, and they are protesting against this incident, beating of Engineer Rashid inside the House.